Well, if you'd like to learn how to be a professional Uber driver, then check out this video right here. I haven't been on YouTube a lot lately. I've been really busy with the Christmas season. There's also been some medical issues. My wife had back surgery, and she's also doing physical therapy. She'll be fine, but it's taken a lot out of my schedule. I've been really busy. Christmas season and the aftermath, it's just been wild around here, so I have not been able to put out a lot of videos. I am a part-time Uber driver, a part-time Lyft driver, and a part-time GrubHub driver. I'm only driving for Uber part of the time, and driving for Lyft part of the time, and driving for GrubHub part of the time. I'm just full-time earning money. So if that's something that interests you, then consider liking and subscribe to this channel. I've altered my routine a little bit. I'm only taking passengers in the middle part of the day, and I'm doing GrubHub deliveries with my wife in the evening hours for 3 hours from 5 to 8. Now yesterday we made, I think it was $195. The big winner yesterday was Uber. I got $96 from Uber. Then it was about $20 from Lyft.
Why, that's it! Look! It's a big W, I tell you! It's a big W!
One of the things that you should have when you do food delivery is an insulated bag, and I have several of those. We have some secret compartments underneath here, and this is where I keep my food delivery bags. And it has a bottom, and it has a lid here which can zip up, and this generic little insulated bag is good for Uber Eats. You can use it for anything. You can use it for GrubHub. It's very convenient. And this is what I prefer to use when I'm using GrubHub deliveries. Just don't take the plastic bag that the restaurant gives you and packaged up and just put it in your car and let it get cold while you're driving to deliver it. Make sure you keep it in an insulated bag. I have 3 hours of GrubHub reserved. They're called GrubHub blocks. I have 3 blocks, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, and 7 to 8. So we're going to see how much money we can make in 3 hours doing GrubHub in a fairly small town of just 150,000 people. This is Amarillo, Texas, and we're going to go see how much we can make tonight. It's exactly 5 o'clock, 5:01 p.m. I have turned the GrubHub app on. I also have a screen recorder recording whatever's on the screen of my phone, and you can see that video right here. So let's go. I'm going to start out from my house even though I don't have an offering. Usually I'll just turn on the app and wait at my house. Tonight, however, I'm heading out ahead of time, and we'll try to give you an honest report about what it's like to be a part-time GrubHub driver, driving for 3 hours a night. All right, here's an offer that I have. Let's take a look at it. This is from Wendy's for $11.13. I'm going to accept the offer. And now we're going to pick up from Wendy's. I have accepted the offer, and I'm going to click there. And here I'm going to press that button, which will send a navigation to my connected car. This is the navigation of my car using Google Maps. Click arrived. So the game was on to see how much money I could earn in 3 hours with GrubHub from 5 to 8 p.m. There you go. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Hi, how are you? These big GrubHub bags can be used as pizza bags too. If you're the adventuresome type, restaurant food delivery can be a real adventure. As you can see, there's a wide variety of the type of restaurants that you can visit. This is Cracker Barrel. And here's Red Lobster. And the grand total for 3 hours of delivery was $86.04.